If you want to mute camera sound on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, here's what you can do. So unfortunately, there is no dedicated option, switcher, or button that allows you to just simply disable the shutter sound and mute the camera. But what you can do is you can open settings. On the left side, we're gonna go to modes and routines, switch to routines over here, and now you should be able to tap on this plus button in the upper right corner. Over here, where we have the if option or text, we can tap over here and we are looking for the app opened option. There we go. We have app opened. Now over here, we need to choose camera and tap on the done in the upper right corner. Then, over here where we have the then text, we can tap to add what should happen when we open the camera. So we're gonna go to sounds and vibration, then choose sound mode and volume. Over here, we're gonna scroll down and you want to turn the system volume all the way down. We want to mute the system volume over here and press done. And we're gonna save the routine. Of course, in addition to that, we can change the routine name, we can adjust the icon and so on and so forth. So in this case, let's say we're gonna use, is there any camera? I don't think so. Okay, so since there is no camera, then I'm gonna use this icon instead. There we go. I'm gonna also change the color to this one, let's say. Let's press done. And now if we go to the camera, if we take a photo, there is no sound, there is no shutter sound. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.